my name is Blayne Pacelli, your financial planner of hard assets. So buyers ask me, what is the process of buying a home? First of all, you need to get pre-approved with the lender just to make sure that you can afford what you're looking for. And also you really have to get a lender that's gonna do a deep dive on the money that you have that's coming in. You know, some lenders think you need to put 20% down. Really, the less is better. If you want to put 10% down, honestly, that's really good too, because if you have an extra 10%, you might need that for other things. You can invest that. So when you put an offer in, it requires a 3% deposit. So that deposit goes to an escrow account. Now, that money, you'll get it back if you decide not to move forward if you don't release all your contingencies. So you have contingencies. You have an inspection contingency, an appraisal contingency, and a loan contingency. Now the inspection, if you look at it, how it's written in the contract, is 17 days, but typically a listing agent will want a shorter one, typically around 10 to 12 days. So you do your inspections, and then after the inspections, you negotiate. So if there's certain things wrong with the house, now that is not the time to look at little tiny things. It's more of, are there foundation issues, chimney issues, sewer line issues, mold issues, different things like that. So then you negotiate, always ask for a credit. Don't ask them to fix anything because they might get somebody that is terrible at their job. So negotiate a credit that you can do everything yourself with the person that you want. You know, someone that's amazing, really, because it's going to be your house. Now, you have an appraisal. Now, with that appraisal contingency, basically they just want to make sure that, you know, the bank feels it's okay at that price. It's not always what the house is worth. It's, does the bank feel comfortable at the amount of money that you're requesting? Then there's a loan contingency. After everything's gone through, it goes through underwriting and so forth, they just want to make sure that you can actually get that loan. So let's just say it's about 17 days, you want to release all that. Now, if you release all the contingencies and then day 25 comes up and you want to back out, well, then you're going to have to probably go see an mediation or arbitration, and they're going to go over everything like, how's the market going? If the market's coming down, is the market going up? There's a lot of factors if you're going to have to give up any of your commission to the seller. Now, the seller doesn't want to hold up the sale of the house, because let's just say you want to back out and the market's going really well. They're going to have to take it off the market. It's going to be a long process. Are they going to want to go through that? There's a lot of different factors. So once you get into escrow, the buyer is king. Sellers cannot back out for any reason, but there's a lot of different ways a buyer can back out. So you really need a professional realtor to go over everything, to make you feel comfortable at purchasing that house. My name's Blayne Pacelli. I'd love to talk to you. 310-383-6281. Thank you.
Contact Blayne Pacelli, your local realtor, today at 310-383-6281